Setting up a home network lets you connect all your devices, like laptops, phones, and smart TVs, so they can share internet access and files easily. You do not need advanced skills to get started. Begin by plugging in your router and modem. Connect your computer to the router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Access your router's settings by typing its default IP address, such as 192.168.0.1, into your browser. Remember to use a strong Wi-Fi password for security. Connect your other devices, like phones or tablets, to the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet network to ensure everything is linked. To see your device's IP address and DNS settings, open Command Prompt on Windows and type ipconfig. On Linux, use IPA, and on macOS, open Terminal and type ifconfig. Look for your IPv4 address, default gateway, and DNS server to confirm your network details. To share files, right-click a folder, go to Properties, then the Sharing tab, and select Everyone. Set permissions as needed. On another device, access the shared folder using the first device's IP address. You have now set up a basic home network, connected devices, checked network details, and shared files. Next, try adding a printer or media server to expand your network.